Just do the whole group, the whole Toronto. Oh, this is good. Very nice. Kat, look to you. I mean, very good, everyone. Look to you. I mean, there you go. That's really good. All right.
Makeup. We had a lot of fun shooting the picture for the United Way campaign poster. Now the real work begins.
We're so proud of our entire UND family for the wonderful support you gave last year. This year, UND Vice President Phyllis Johnson is the chair of the campaign. Our theme is investing in our community.
Everyone deserves to have quality education, a stable job, and the income to support good health and retirement. For some people, United Way is the stepping stone for this support. And with your help, we can change lives and create a brighter future for people here in our community.
When you receive your United Way packet, please consider investing in our community. The single goal of United Way is to help people.
So please join Marcia and me as we participate in this important campaign. United Way depends on all of us to make a difference, so please consider increasing your donation if you can. Together, we can help United Way reach its goal of just over $1 million. And thank you.